well received by its customers, this Bissell pet hair eraser Cordless hand vac model 2390A is currently one of the best sellers on Amazon. It offers several extension tools and a motorized brush for picking up hair. We got this one for $80 and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Let's open this up and give it a quick look. Welcome to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. Hello everybody, my name is Nguyen and welcome back to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. In this video, we're going to unbox this cordless vacuum from Bissell to check out what is in the package when ordering one online. We're also going to give our first impression on the product's build quality, design, and general features. So let's get to it. There are quite a few accessories that come with the vacuum. There's a crevice tool, an upholstery tool for sofas and such, and a motorized pet brush for pet hair removal, which should be incredibly helpful with rugs or similar surfaces. A wall charger, of course, and user guides. These have all the information about the product's features, so make sure you give them a quick look before using the vacuum. When you plug this in to charge, the light here will light up indicating that it's charging. Now always remember to charge the product for at least 8 hours before your first use. Let me quickly show you how the tools fit into the vacuum. They simply go on and off, like that. Upholstery tool, similarly, on and then off. Now the power brush is a little bit different, but you put it on just like how you would the other tools. See? The difference is when the brush only runs when the vacuum is operating, right? Now to power this up, press this button here. And press again to turn off. The product does look a little bit like a toy, possibly because of its color scheme, yet the detail and the overall build feel very reassuring when held, which is always good. Now to empty out the dust bowl, hold this down to release the bowl. From here, the filter can be removed, like so. And the frame can also be removed as well. Give it a little twist, counterclockwise, like that, and it comes off. Back in, clockwise. Hang on. Here we go, back in, and this. Now let's give it a quick suction test to see how this handheld vacuum works freshly out of the box. We have here some cornflakes. And here it goes. Now the balance and suction feel good when operating. However, it takes quite a few steps to empty out the dust bowl, which I find to be not as convenient as the other dust out mechanism we've seen. As far as first impressions go, although not perfect, this is a pretty solid handheld vacuum with effective features and power. And that wraps up our first impression on the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you want a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and like or share our videos if you enjoy them. Consider ordering the product from the link in our description if you're interested in getting one to support our work. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you next time.